Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, November 9th. We continue with the book of Awakening by Mark Nepo, and today's essay is titled The Moment of Dawn. Mark Nepo prefaces this essay with a quote from a Sufi poet, Rumi. There is a sun in every person, the you we call companion. It is essential to realize and embrace the paradox that while no one can go through your journey for you, you are not alone. Everyone is on the same journey. Everyone shares the same pains, the same confusions, the same fears, which, if put out between us, lose their edges and so cut us less. A very touching story from the Talmud captures the soft paradox of how we all journey alone together. A rabbi asks his students, "How do you know the first moment of dawn has arrived?" After a great silence, one pipes up, "Well, when you can tell the difference between a sheep and a dog." The rabbi shakes his head no. Another offers, "When you can tell the difference between a fig tree and an olive tree." Again the rabbi shakes his head no. There are no other answers. The rabbi circles their silence and walks between them. You know the first moment of dawn has arrived when you look into the eyes of another human being and see yourself. Whoa, goosebumps. You know the first moment of dawn has arrived when you look into the eyes of another human being and see yourself. So let's take a comfortable position and, as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keeping your breath natural, nice and soft. Remind yourself that there is nothing you need to fix about this moment. Everything is already good enough, just the way it is. And see if this reminder helps you settle into a sense of spaciousness, a sense of certain freedom, a space in which all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, can simply flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now, being quiet, breathing gently, find your way into your center, wherever you feel it. Allow your heart to open. Breathe into your heart and through your heart into the world. And try to feel both your aloneness and what you share with every other human being. Breathing deeply and slowly. Try to simply feel it without attempting to comprehend this paradox. feeling your aloneness in this world, and at the same time, everything that you share with every other human being. Now place your hands onto your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I touch deep, natural peace. And as you gently let go of your practice, as always, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now. Physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I encourage you to continue with this reflection, to continue reflect on this paradox of feeling both your aloneness in this world and what you share with every other human being. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.